The one best thing about rolls is, you know what? They are quick. Hi, this is Chef Vicky Ratnani and welcome back to my lovely channel. Thank you so much for all the love that you've been giving me. We're doing really well. Thank you for asking me all those questions. Any other questions, any other recipes, please, I'm more than happy to cook them for you. Your wish is my command. Now, I have been getting a lot of questions about chef roll banao, veg kebab roll banao, ye banao. I'm going to be doing this whole roll series, like roll with Vicky series, coming up soon. Now, today's recipe is one of those amazing recipes that I just love. Cooking, yes, but also eating it, okay? I used to go to an Indian restaurant. Any Indian restaurant I used to go, I used to have the malai chicken. Now, when a malai chicken goes into a paratha roll, it's mayhem time. So, I've got these little lovely chicken strips over here, about 400 grams. Thoda sa extra hai always. Now, we're going to be adding thoda sa marination karte hain. So, we're adding a little bit of salt, to which I'm adding a little bit of our cumin powder and a little bit of garam masala in this, along with just a touch, not too much, just a little bit, not too much, little red chili powder, okay? I'm also adding some ginger garlic paste to this, lovely, and then I'm also adding some elaichi powder, okay? Malai chicken means cream, okay? So I'm going to be adding about 2 tablespoons of cream, and then I'm going to be adding 1 big tablespoon of hung curd, yani ki young curd over here, beautiful. Now, isko hum very nicely marinate kar dete hain, okay, lovely. So we've got this really nice, lovely, well, it's not mild because इसमें अभी मिर्ची जाएगी, okay? It's one of those really flavor-form dishes. And then what I do जब मैं roll बनाता हूँ, once the chicken is there, I like to add a little bit of whatever cheese I have in my fridge. One of those kind of situations, okay? So let's start cooking first. Beautiful. So पहले हम ये हमारे 2 green chilies को हम split कर देते हैं. Sorry, 3 green chilies, okay? I told you, it's not spicy. It's one of those silent but violent recipes. Just kidding. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of olive oil into this. I can even add some lovely butter into this. Actually, would have been a good idea, but theek hai yaar. It's all good in the hood. Into which I'm going to be adding my chilies which I've split in. Okay? So हमने ये मिर्ची को अच्छी तरह फ्राई कर दिया है. Along that I'm adding a little bit of black pepper as well, which I'm frying. And then उसमें फिर हम हमारे chicken strips डाल देते हैं. Okay. So ये if you want, आप इसे तंदूर में बना सकते हो. You want to do it on the BBQ, on the barbecue, you can even do that without any problem, okay? Now, every time I do something on the grill, जब मैं चाकोल पे पकाता हूँ, लोग बोलते हैं, भैया हमारे पास ये नहीं है घर पे, और कैसे बना सकते हैं? So I'm going very basic in this recipe. So I just said, जैसे आप normally अभी हम pan में जैसे बनाते हैं, so I thought, why don't we just make it very simple here, okay? No tam dham, no fancy, but normal. But I'm saying barbecue के बनता है, तंदूर पे बनता है. It also does very well in the oven. You know, तवे पे पकाना है, तवे पे पकाइयो. Perfect. Want to give this a little cover and let this cook in about 2 minutes. Now chicken तो हो गया है, very simple. इसके बाद हमारा जो पराठा है, हम उसको back to my paratha, nicely, beautiful, chak 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 chak. मलाई कबाब अंदर, ऊपर nice shaved onions, थोड़ा सा नींबू, चाट मसाला, and see you later. Oh, beautiful, lovely, just the way I wanted it. अभी हम थोड़ा सा इसमें थोड़ी सी चीज़ वीज डालते हैं। क्या चीज़ है ये, ब्यूटीफुल। अभी हम इसे चीज़ डाल के बिल्कुल ही बंद कर देते हैं। छक्का। सो हमारा मलाई चिकन का मिक्सचर सुपर रेडी हो गया है। नाउ बैक टू माय रोटी। सो ये जो हमने हाफ डन रोटी जो की है कम्स वेरी हैंडी। तो कभी मैं क्या करता हूँ, आई मेक अ फ्यू एक्स्ट्रा ऑफ दीज, पुट इन अ जिपलॉक बैग, put inside the fridge or the freezer. And you know, nowadays people actually really buy these. You can even buy them if you wish. But what I like to do is that if I'm making a dough and I'm making enough for like 2-3, I always make a little extra. Okay, there's always 1 or 2 rotis like this in my freezer kept standby in case. Okay, lovely. So we're going to be adding a little bit of oil into this. You can also do it with butter. You can also do it with ghee. You know, be my guest. Beauty. So we've got nice thing happening here. So you'll see a lot of recipes. You'll see a lot of places. They've got almost this much oil. They're literally frying the paratha. They put it in, take it out. But you know what? I don't think you need so much oil because look at this. This is such a delicious, amazing, rich kind of filling. Why would you want to add more to this? You know? So this is getting nice. This is getting lovely. It's coming alive again. Beauty. सही है बेटू, सही है, परफेक्ट हो। Now in the meanwhile, हम इसे कहते हैं टाइम मैनेजमेंट। अंदर से थोड़े नाइस क्रीमीनेस के साथ मालूम क्या इज एन अमेजिंग कॉम्बिनेशन, इज प्याज, लाइक चीज एंड अनियन, माइंड ब्लोइंग। ओके, सो अभी हम नाइस थोड़े से प्याज आ गए अभी यहाँ पे, माइंड ब्लोइंग, ब्यूटीफुल। तो ये अभी हमारे रोल शोल के अंदर जाएंगे ये, ब्यूटीफुल। अभी हम इसे, वाओ, नाउ दैट्स व्हाट आई कॉल अ कलर, नाइस कलर, ब्यूटीफुल। देखिए थोड़े ही तेल के साथ बट बिल्कुल लवली क्रिस्पी काइंड ऑफ, लेकिन जो कलर है काफ़ी सुनहरा है, इट्स क्वाइट गोल्डन, it's very appetizing. Wow. Now even this, I'm just going to flip it in, put my toothpicks in. So literally while you're eating it, you can really watch what you're eating. You don't need to wrap it up tight. I don't believe in that. If you want to wrap it up tight, if you want to take it with you, it's a different story. But मैं अभी यहाँ बैठ के TV देख के घर पे खाऊंगा. I just want one flap because I want to eat that. I want that in my hand. Okay? Beautiful. तो ये देखिए हमने डाल दिया यहाँ पर, हैं? अभी हम करेंगे हमारी रोल को फिनिश। Excellent. Now look at that, buddy. Now that's what I call a nice. तो इसमें a little bit of salt, चाट मसाला, okay? Lovely. तो ये हमारा क्या बोलते हैं हम इसे, इट्स कॉल्ड अ कटिंग बोर्ड का सैलड। ओके, ये कटिंग बोर्ड का प्याज का कचुम्बर रेडी हो गया, ब्यूटीफुल। ओके, अभी इसमें हम थोड़े से धनिए के लीव्स भी डाल सकते हैं, थोड़े से, यू वांट टू मेक इट लिटिल मोर प्रिटियर। ओके, परफेक्ट। सो यहाँ पे पहले आई एम गोइंग टू पुट द चीज इन। ओके, नाउ व्हाई एम आई पुटिंग द चीज? Of course फ्लेवर के लिए, वो तो है। Now while your roti is still hot, okay? Now क्या होगा? It's going to form a lovely coating at the bottom of your roll, okay? Lovely. And then it'll help your paratha becoming soggy too fast. It won't become. अभी हम वापस इसमें चाट मसाला डाल रहे हैं। Then I'm adding a little bit of प्याज over here. Lovely. ठीक है, nice. अभी हम डालेंगे हमारा शानदार मलाई चिकन, beautiful. Now look at that, buddy. Oh, oh. And you've got these lovely chilies which are going in. Huh? So don't think, hey, bhaiya, I mean, it will catch you. But this is what I call, it's absolutely delicious. You know, I mean, non-pretentious, real khana. Okay. So, what do you think? Are you going to make this or not? Come on. इतने प्यार से बना रहा हूँ. The least you can do is make it. Send me a nice picture. Because believe me, काफ़ी अनोखी रेसिपी है ये मेरी. Okay. Recipe, but the whole build up of the recipe is very unique. Okay. Oh yes. Some more. Nice. Look how beautiful this is. Wow, look at that, man. Huh? Wow. So now we have this lovely malai pepper sauce here for you. Okay, which is going to be served on the side. Our sauce here on the side in case. And then, kya feel hai now, look at that. Nice and crunchy and flaky at the bottom. And I'm just going to bring this together. Now look, can you see the side? This is outstanding, buddy, outstanding. It is not outstanding, it is standing out. Beautiful. So, are you ready to rock and roll? Malai kebab ready.